Hey, this do you really post? I don't know, Christmas came early. Plus you get terrible mic quality since I'm traveling. Wait, what do you mean I'm a day late? Oh, you're right. Anyways, this has got to be one of my favorite Airsoft games/day. It's super fun to play, and I hope you enjoy this complication, why does my script say complication, of kills and funny moments.
Bang bang!
Oh, damn. There's 3 down there?
2 or 3.
There's 2 at least. Go back! Bang bang! Woo! Bang bang! Bang bang! Bang bang! Go bang bang bang! Bang bang! Bang bang! You trade?
I got you.
Go. Just push it. Shot you.
Okay.
Oh, I got killed. Hit.
I know, I'm just saying, like, most people are in this area.
Bang. We're really struggling right now, so I'm bringing out one of my favorite guns, the shotgun.
That gun is weak.
Bang. Where are they? Okay, I got you.
Oh shit.
Good way do you do that? Bang, bang, bang! Wait, hold up. Sorry. Bang. Yo, bang. No way, that's gonna team wipe. Bang bang.
Good job.
Bang bang. Bang bang. Bang bang. Bang bang. Sorry, I don't want to shoot you guys too close.
Bang bang.
Oh,
Bang bang.
oh, bro. You're good.
Hey, just go suicide bomb.
Bang bang. Bang bang. Did we trade?
Yeah.
We did? My bad. I didn't hear you. Is there any orange? Like no orange. How many orange is there? Huh? There's 4? Okay, I'm gonna swap to your side. Hold up. Alright, I swapped to orange. These have no players. So, let's go find my brother. Ow! Oh, he shot me right in the stomach.
Did you get him in the nads?
Okay, you grenaded me. He shot me in the stomach. Damn,
I
bro.
thought he got away from me. Type of
Oh,
wanted to shoot him.
that hurt. All right, they're a little too overpowered right now. I need a rifle.
Why are you respawning?
I'm not. I'm going back to my spawn.
Weren't you on the other team a second ago?
Yeah, you guys have no players.
Oh, yeah. 2 of the guys have it.
Yeah. Where are they?
Why'd you switch teams?
They have no players. Bang bang. Hit. Bang bang bang. Bang. I think I'm. You want to trade? Yeah. Okay. You want to call it? You want to call it?
Oh, what?
That you're dead?
Bang, bang.
No, 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 no. Haiti dead rights. Did you shoot me? Did not feel that. What? Is that a SIG?
Ah, it's a 1911.
Oh, okay. Thank God. Bang bang. Bang bang. Yup. Yup. Good boy. Bang bang.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Bang bang. There's team wipe again?
Can I get that double shot?
Friendly, friendly, friendly. What the? Bro, I said friendly.
No, I didn't hear you.
Ow. Whoa!
Damn, that's tragic. Let's just double check. Let's just do it wrong.
No! City, no!
Alright, well, time to get out. I didn't even make it through one song.